Hey guys, I'm here with a video of some medallions that I did, and I wanted to share with you guys. You can use these for decoration for your Halloween stuff, or you can put them on pencils, pens, on your albums. You can give them out as Happy Mail. It's just decoration that you can do that will make your project look more pretty. So these are some of the ones that I did. The items that I've used were pretty much just Halloween paper, and hot glue and stickers that I had, that I purchased from the dollar store or the Dollar Tree, and some that I had in my stash, and other ones I picked up from Michael's. So yeah, so I don't have like the dye to make them. So I had to figure out a way that I could do them. I didn't like to score them. That was taking forever. So I decided to just do it by hand. So these are some of the items that I had that I could work it with. Depending on how big you want it, you can use bigger stuff. So I used ribbon, twine, like I said, stickers. I had little eyeballs. I had crepe paper, my punch to create the punch in the back. You're gonna see that some of them have mini spiders. You could use like those big ring spiders and just cut out the ring. And yeah, you pretty much are able to use anything that you can find that will catch your eye. For mine, I did decide to use glitter ribbon as well as washi tape. So you'll see right here, I'm just showing you the way that I did them. I just went ahead and just folded back and forth the paper until I was done. Pretty much the width. No, it's not the width. The length of the paper is about 12, and the width is about 1.5. So like I said, it all depends on you, how big you want it to be, or how long. So after I folded everything, I went ahead and applied hot glue, because that was the fastest way that I would be able to show you guys, as well as the decoration, because it dries really fast. So after I hot glue it from side to side, I go ahead and punch out a little circle, and I use that little circle to go ahead and open my little medallion and stick it so it doesn't unravel. Okay, after I do that, then I start the decoration process. Like I said, I was working with ribbon. I was working with glitter ribbon as well, stickers, anything that pretty much just catch my eye that I thought it was gonna fit. And then I did use dimensional tape, because I did want it to have a little dimension so it would stand out. So I did use that with my stickers. Even though the sticker had sticker glue on the back, I still added dimension to that. Then after that, I only did one. I only recorded one so that you guys could see how I did it. I do apologize. I really thought I was on frame, but for most of the video, as you can see, I was not. But hopefully my explanation helps you out with what you're not able to see. And at the end, I'll go ahead and just post some pictures of how my other medallions came or ended up. And yeah, so if you want me to upload a better video, or showing you how to do any of the medallions that I created, go ahead and just leave your comment down below. Hopefully you guys like it. Like I said, I'm not a pro, but I did want to go ahead and show you guys how I did it. And I was able to do it without having the stencil. So thank you. Have a great day.